Good morning, friends. What a day is what it was yesterday. Uh, Now I think the pattern which has unfolded has been perfect. We had seen that yesterday we thought like we will not break out 2420, but then it has taken out, and we had also taken out 2424. But we have specifically said like 2424 needs to be taken out on the closing basis. So the market went up all the way till 2430, then had a huge sell off with heavy volumes. So actually, what happens is like post hitting 2482 the last week, we had actually seen a correction. We have already mentioned this in the past 3 4 days. Like we are in a corrective phase, we are going down, and our target zone is 2388 to that of 2360. So we had hit 2388 in the last week itself. That was a very quick sell off. Yesterday there was a counter move that was bouncing back. We expected that counter move to stall at 2424, but it so happened that we went all the way till 2430. Then it reversed sharply. It's like continuation of the sharp fall that we had seen in the last week. It was like that, the continuation of that in the yesterday's session. So if you were to look at it this morning, this sell off was continuing, and we had moved towards the support zone once again. So right now, as I speak, we are still in the support zone. The underlying trend has been bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish in the last few days. This is what naturally that happens when we usually see a kind of corrective phase. There's nothing new in this. So it is like a continuation of the consolidation of the correction phase that we are seeing. Unless and until we get a close below 2358, to be exact. 2358 is the major support level that I'm seeing. Unless and until we get a close below this, we cannot say that this is a start of a new downside, or this is no more a correction. We cannot call that a no more a correction. So basically, unless and until we get a close below 2358, this seems to be like a correction in place, and most likely in a day or two this correction will terminate and we will start moving up. There's one more leg up uh, towards 2520, so that is where we are moving towards. Today, if you were to look at it, the underlying trend as we stand is like bearish, but then we have taken out of all the levels. We are not recommending to buy or sell at this particular stage. Let the market cool down. Ideally, I'm waiting for the next underlying trend to be changed from bearish to that of bullish. Then we will go along. Those who are interested in taking a risky position can try to take a position at 2360 with the stop loss of 2358. Just a $2 stop loss we can try, or wait for the bearish trend to reverse to that of bullish. As it stands, I see that this is a correction, ongoing correction that is taking place. We still have 2 days left, that is Friday and Monday, for the correction to be over. We will see some kind of passive moves going sideways. Then we will start off a new leg upside. Most likely, this is what my understanding is. So whatever we had our judgment on Monday and Tuesday, like the market has to go down towards 2388 to then to 2360 was correct. The counter move we failed to capture because I believed that it should come and stall at 2324. 242, sorry, 2424, but then it went up till 2430 in extension. But yes, 2424 was a closing basis stop loss, but then we are not recommending any closing basis stop loss here. The risk is very high, so it was not worthwhile. That's why we didn't ask you to keep in yesterday's short position to keep a stop loss at 2424 on closing basis. We asked you to put a intraday stop loss of 2420. So that is okay. Like that is a part of this correction phase. We are looking for a major game here. So that is okay. We're not worried about the small stop losses hitting here and there. Let us look at how this will place, then we will take a trade, because I believe that whenever we are in doubt, try to get out. This is the first thing that we do, and try to stay away from the market and make a rejudgment of where exactly we are standing. Then we will come back forcefully and take a position according to the market scenario. As it stands, it's stay in sidelines. If you are really interested in taking some bit of risk, then my advice is to take a long at 2360 with a stop loss at 2358. As long as we do not close below 2358, this is ongoing correction only, nothing major, nothing serious. Downside is open as set. Let us see how this unfold. We will get back to you at 4 p.m. By the time we will get a clarity of how things are moving. Today being the data important day, we have two important data coming up in the evening. Initial job loss claim and the GDP data. So most likely there will be more volatile in the afternoon session. Let's see how it goes. We'll stay connected at 4 p.m. We'll see how the markets are moving by the time. Thank you.